What's going on, gang? It's your boy Trell, and I'm back with another video, man. My bad. My watch was stuck in my coat. Alright, so you already know what it is, man. We got another car meet tonight, man. This is a JDM meet. This is a Japanese motor vehicles, any vehicle that was made in Japan. This is Lexus, so I'm able to go. If my car was not messed up at the front, I would definitely pull it up. GS350, yes sir. It ain't nothing too exotic, but everybody ain't driving a Lexus. Anyways, gang, let me turn this light off real quick. We at Office Depot. We getting ready to go up in here, get these business cards before we head to this meet. One thing I can say is that last meet, man, y'all did me bogus, man. Y'all only gave me 24 views, man. The other ones got hundreds and hundreds, but the last meet only got like, what, 20s? So, we're gonna get these cars, man. We're gonna do some more networking. The goal this time is to actually meet somebody, you know what I'm saying, make a connection. So, we're gonna see where these cars are. Hey, how you doing? This the print place?
Yes.
Okay, I'm here to pick up an order.
You're here to pick up an order?
Yeah. Thank you.
It's you?
Oh, yeah. Oh, y'all doing an amazing job. Check out Office Depot for your business cards, man. All right, y'all have a great one. Thank you. Oh, yeah. I love it, gang. So, hey, gotta turn things into a reality, man. There's ways around it. We going to all these meets and things, doing networking, so why not have something to leave with the person that you're talking to? So, all right, man. I'm gonna see y'all at the meet. Hey, Guns, Cars, Entertainment. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, man. Y'all already know this channel going up. All right, gang. All right, gang, we out here, man. Let's see what we got out here, man. Oh, shit. Pardon my French, but look at this Bronco. This one's sick, boy. I started to get a Ford Bronco in my last video. I don't know why they had a JDM meet, but hey, it's all good. See you. I'm messing with it though, man. You already know this the city of supers, baby. Red, yellow. I really like the rims right there. No, it's real nice. Got your supers. Follow, bro. And look at that exhaust. I bet it's flaming back there. Woo! Y'all know what's in that trunk, man. Got the Mopars trying to creep up a little bit. How y'all doing? Hey, nitrous down here, excuse me. Nitrous down here, all kind of stuff. Man, what they got a Chevy doing out here, man? I got you, sir. Sorry about that. How y'all doing tonight, man? I don't know what's going on over there, but something. Got the engine open in this one. Oh, this might actually nice. Sick. Yeah, you ain't gotta always have no super exotic cars, man. These cars right here get you enough attention enough, man. Nissan Z. I don't know what we got back there. Oh, that Mopar's gotta show out. Show out. wasn't gonna get out the car. I ain't gonna cap. I was like, man, there ain't enough stuff here, but hey, they got some stuff here, man. Check them out. I like that color. This mug is rough. Hey, that's crazy. They put the exhaust on the forward edge, man.
It looks like it. Why?
Over there. Starting to turn them engines on, man. Oh, that mug just raised up.
Oh shit, he's about to show us how to do it.
And then it dropped. Yeah, that's crazy.
Like they're trying.
Yeah. 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 I'm messing with it. That's nasty. What y'all think, gang? Yes, sir. They don't play with them exhaust down here, man. back with more cars, more fun, more entertainment. Tomorrow morning, man, we got Cars and Cantina, man. Hey, you already know we going up, man. We got nothing but exotics coming. I know we be coming to these car shows and it be, you know, cars like this or whatever, but hey, these nice cars too, man. You tune these up, you taking off on cars that cost 10 times as much as yours, man. Look at this. You got a Honda SR right here. Shout out to kids. Making this noise. But yeah, man, we got Cars and Cantina. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's up,
How
man?
you doing,
Haven't
brother?
seen you since first grade.
Oh, no, what's going on, bro? I remember you. Hey, bro, shit, subscribe, bro. Guns, Cars, Entertainment.
We out here, Toledo, my brother. This shit popping out. Everybody and their mama finna be out here.
Everybody in their mama. All right, man, my man. All right, man. Guns, Cars, Entertainment, man. The only way we going is up.
They coming fast now, I must be headed towards my prime. When they observe, they can see I'm obsessed with my grind. I got a lot to manifest, I got a lot in mind. And if you really listen, you will give me all your time. I need an 8 or a 9, I'm so done with dime. The way these niggas treated me, ballin' was a crime. Up in they head, rent free, and I act crazy nice. They imitate me and I act like I don't recognize. It's the difference between me and all these other guys. I know I bleed like they bleed, so don't idolize. But these are things that I repeat that I heard in my life.